Hello friends, Teresa Loveless here with Enjoy Italian Food. I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my Italian recipes. I love to cook Italian food because I am Italian, but I don't like to stay too much in the kitchen. So the dishes that I will show you are very simple, very easy to make, and they don't take a long time, but I want to assure you they are delicious. Today I'm going to make portobello mushrooms. They are the baby ones and I already cut them up, but I want to show you the way I do it. I have two more. I cut the mushroom in half and then I put it on the other side, and I do two more cuts like this. So again, cut it in half, turn it, and then you do three cuts. And I have another one here, cut it in half, and then I used 2 packages of baby portobello mushroom. And it seems a lot for 2 people, but you know the mushrooms really have a lot of water, and so they will shrink and it becomes almost very few. So then I have 2 cloves of garlic, and then I will put a pinch of dry parsley. If you have fresh, it's even better. And then half a teaspoon of sea salt. I prefer the Himalayan salt. A little bit of wine, not too much. Red wine, or if you prefer white wine. So I have my cast iron pan. I'm going to put the mushroom inside the pan. I don't start the heat at all. So it's that's why it's so easy. Okay, I put all the mushroom in the pan over here like this, and then I put the garlic. And again, I don't use the cutting board. You can smash the garlic if you have one of those utensils that can squeeze the garlic. It's good too. But I like to do everything with my hands and a knife, and so I cut the garlic small, and then I have this dry parsley, because if I don't have the fresh one, I don't want to miss on parsley. So I put abundant, maybe 1 or 2 pinches of parsley. I put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then I turn on the heat on high. And don't forget the Himalayan salt. Maybe if you don't want to put the whole half teaspoon, that's fine. You can put a little bit, because see, not too much. A little bit, because as I said, the mushroom will shrink, so we don't want to become too salty. This dish is very, very good because you can use it by itself on bread or on with pasta, and it makes a delicious spaghetti with mushrooms. And also you can use it as a side dish for meat, fish, chicken. I usually don't cover with the lid because I like to the mushroom to lose their water. That way they don't get too boiled. You cannot smell the mushrooms. It already smells so good. the garlic and the olive oil and the mushroom themselves, they have a great smell. The heat is on high right now because we want to take care of all the water that they are going to release. See, it's already, you can see here, the water is releasing, and I don't want them to become mushy. They have to stay like tender but really firm. Also because I am going to put the wine. The water is getting released and it smells so wonderful. See how they are already reduced? It seemed there was a full pan, and now you can see the water coming out from the mushrooms. And then we can put the wine. Sprinkle a little pepper on top. Or some people like it to put a crushed red pepper. Or I prefer to use the black pepper. Ooh, those are so good. You know what I would do here? I will boil some spaghetti, and then when they are ready, you can put the spaghetti inside this pan and mix them together and have an amazing pasta spaghetti with mushroom. And if you like creamy, you can use the heavy whipped cream. And after you mix the spaghetti with the mushroom, then you can put like half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and you have a creamy spaghetti with mushroom. And don't forget at the end to finish with Parmigiano Reggiano. In the grocery stores, you don't find everything Italian. So I put some links, and if you like, you can buy from those links, so that you might have a good Italian meal. Okay, the water is almost dried up. So now it's time for the wine. You can put the wine in there. Hear the sound? Just stir a little more. And I think it took only 10 minutes, right? And there you have it. This is mushroom, portobello mushroom with garlic and parsley. And you can use it to make an amazing dish tonight, either with spaghetti, with bread, with side dishes for your meat or chicken, or just if you like a vegetarian meal, just eat it by itself. Have a great night, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Enjoy Italian Food by Teresa. Have a great evening. Buon appetito! Ciao ciao!